Guys, welcome back, welcome back. Ni tắm tắm có vok. Anh Thiên không? Guys, ni tắm tắm có vok ở đâu hua. Với này hiền còn vok lấy thì mấy lâu. Có ô lấy có ba. Có ô lấy có ba thì mấy lâu. Có vok giết rồi là ba ni tiền mà. Cho nên ý guys. Với thì Republic Day niya. Subangin school kan suara Monday niya. Với ni som ni paro kan ni kasi. Với ni som ni paro January. Kum sang ni som ni paro kan niya. Republic Day ni. Subang school kan suara. Mas sama photography ang tiyan han. Mas sama photography ang tiyan han vlog về kami na po na về mo. Tapos han mong kote ka anh đã phê tua min anh lộ tua hả? Mà sao bạn hiện đến bộ nào thế? Camera sáng đầu đấy vlog ngắm là cái thì khóc mấy? Mà sao photography hiện hiện vlog về ngắm là? Ta thì đa số thì ở đây lâu được. Comment chú guys improve ko to mang. I will try to speak slower. I will try to vlog clearly. Hey, camera tay po tia hey vak vak to là vin mau. Hey, smoothly in tia hey buang sang in tia hey lang fiat tu orang kan. Also hey hey o kapela kita tar turin mo. Poster hao niya. Mới đi Republic Day niya guys. Subangin school kan sol. School kan sol siya ni. Mới đi ở Republic Day. Monday ni.
By the way, tonight I want to talk to you about something. Just you and me.
RTI 가스가 무조건 주고 통 두개 수다에 나가 통 두고
Obviously, a date for you. It's very embarrassing. Teacher cousin warned you about me, and she did, but don't see why she's doing it. You're your girlfriend. You're beautiful.
가스가 아니야 수다에 나가 통 두고 아이디야
Because I have a history of not being good with relationships. And before I knew it, I just found myself opening up. Growing up, I felt like I broke my mom's heart. Love her for the woman. And then, mom's not even the same person. She just tried herself before. And it broke my heart too. Feeling like that, I'm just afraid to let anyone come close. I know that you don't trust me, but I hope it's something that will open. I'll get to know you better. I feel like you're someone worth knowing. He looked at me earnestly.
아니 그 가족 한진속 왜 끝자고
Wait, that was a mistake, Slater. You're all wrong about my friendship with Carmen. I can't. Later that night, all I could think about was Slater and that kid. Maybe I could talk to Carmen and she'd come around. I still couldn't shake off the idea that Slater was lying about himself. As luck would have it, Mom told me the next day that the artist was back in town and he was displaying his work at a gallery that night. Well, Slater wasn't going to be the only one in disguise. I went dressed up as someone completely different, and I was thrilled to see him. He might have a different style, but I was certain it was Slater. And as I was walking past him, I accidentally tripped and fell forward, scraping his arm with my pen. I'm so sorry. I'm not very good with walking. Nasty, like people say. Oh, it bleeds. It's fine. I'm okay. Excuse me. I need to use the bathroom. And the next thing I saw, Slater was wearing a full-sleeved shirt, just like I expected. So I spilled my juice all over him. Oh my god, you're wet. You'll have to change your shirt. It's fine. It'll dry out. No, you'll get sick. I won't. I'm as strong as a cow. I try to use
잠깐 떠도 아이 뒤에가 말해 갔다 뒤로 나가고
Why are you trying to attack me? How did you know, Spider-Man? All it was this. Pulling his sleeve and showing us he had a long cut on his arm.
Dekha mo til asem chinami. Til dile var mo ana ber.
Questions later. What's the matter? I thought you were left in the face of danger. Now is not the time to be sarcastic. Just hold on to me and you'll be fine. Do you trust me? Clumsiest idiot I've ever met. Listen,
Bethen beng chang te akalon sin mami.
I just need you to trust me right now, okay? I won't let anything
Imagine he met Robin about it.
instincts told me to trust him. And I did. What happened next was the most thrilling thing ever.
Kepo.
Why?